contact lists are typically vital, especially for dual SIM users, whether upgrading to a new Samsung device or protecting against data loss. Making Samsung Contacts backup is essential. This guide will walk you through 6 practical methods to do so. Let's start with the easiest approach. Way 1. How to backup contacts from Samsung to PC via the most reliable tool. Many tools can back up and restore Samsung phones, but users value simplicity and reliability. Weekend Backup Manager for Android stands out with its seamless, error-free backup across all Android devices and PCs. Step 1. Install the tool on your PC or Mac, then connect your Samsung via USB. Step 2. Select Enable USB debugging if needed, then tap Backup. Step 3. Backup. Select contacts you want to back up. Then, specify a location on your computer for storing the data. Finally, click on Backup to transfer your Galaxy data to your computer. How to restore contacts on Samsung using Android Backup and Restore. Click Restore after your phone is detected. Review backup content and select contacts. Click Restore to transfer contacts. Way 2. How to backup contacts on Samsung phone via Samsung Cloud. Open Settings on your Samsung. Tap your name Samsung Cloud Backup Data. Enable contacts and tap Backup now. Way 3. How to backup contacts on Samsung Galaxy using Smart Switch. Install Smart Switch on Samsung and PC. Connect via USB and authorize access. On PC, open Smart Switch, select Backup Call and Contacts. Choose a format and click Backup. Way 4. How to backup Samsung contacts to Google Drive. Open Settings, Accounts and Backup. Tap Backup and restore backup data Samsung account. Select Google account, enable contacts, and tap Backup now. Way 5. How to backup Samsung contacts to Google account. Open Settings, Cloud and Accounts. Select Google. Tap your email, enable Sync Contacts, then tap Sync now. Way 6. How to backup contacts on Samsung Galaxy via SIM or SD card. Open Contacts menu, manage contacts. Tap Import or Export. Choose SIM or SD card, then tap Export. Select contacts and confirm with Done.